Well, folks, I'm on my UTV marking timber coming across the creek and just saw a water moccasin. This is a venomous snake. Sorry about missing him. And he's wanting to leave now. See if I can get a closer look for you. Well, I wanted to show his head. He's not going to do it. Let's get him out of here. He was sunning himself up on this log. Let's see. Nope, he's not coming out of there. You can see that hole right there where he went, stump hole. Anyway, I was gonna try to educate you on what a cottonmouth looked like, water moccasin, but he didn't want to cooperate. I saw him the other day here crossing the creek in my UTV going to mark timber. And anyway, oh well. Stay tuned for more management videos.